Now for the last chord, it's the E chord. The E chord is fairly simple to hold. You just have to kind of get used to a couple of things, but there are a lot of other chords that are going to come out of this or be related to this in terms of how you use your fingers, and it's going to be a really useful one. And since the lowest string and the highest string on the guitar are both the note E, this is one of those chords that I would probably say is the most common chord that we'll ever use on guitar if you take into account all different styles of music. You know, I'm sure there are people that will fight for the G chord, and you know, I'd probably be willing to consider that too, but the E is just really, really popular. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to play the 6th string open. That's the note E, and that is the root of the chord. And then we're going to hold 2nd fret with the 2nd finger on string 5. And then we're going to hold 2nd fret with the 3rd finger on string 4. And add the 1st finger to string 3 on fret 1. And then open, open on strings 2 and 1. So here they are again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, I'll go through and call the frets, and then I'll go through and call the fingers, just so you'll know what's going on again. So this is fret 2, and fret 1, and those are held with fingers 2, 3, and 1. And this chord can be converted to a lot of different things. This could become an E minor, or an E7, or if you go back to the E, you can do a little movable shape. So a lot of useful stuff will come from this chord. Just make sure you do what you're doing on all the other chords. Check your notes. If you hear this, got to get those fingers arched. Make sure you're hearing every note clearly, and then try to do the strums. And then try the bass chord strum method, which is bass, chord, 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 bass, chord, and then maybe try to change from E to A and make that work. Now, when we finally get all of these chords, when you feel like you can just place your hands on a G, a C, a D, an A, and an E, start to change between those chords. It doesn't matter what order, you can change the order, you can do anything you want, but I'll do them in the order that I presented those so you can kind of see how that would work. So starting with G, we're going to do the bass chord, chord, chord method, and we'll go from G to C to D to A to E. So it'll sound something like this. I'll do each chord for just one measure, because this is really about getting you to move those fingers and practice these chords. So it'll be G chord first, 2, 3, 4, bass, chord, chord. Now C chord, bass, chord, chord. Now D chord, bass, chord, chord. Now A chord, bass, chord. Then an E chord, bass, chord, chord, chord. And then repeat that as many times as you need to just get comfortable. So again, questions are always welcome. Back up a few videos if you need to understand how the strings are named, or you know how they're numbered, anything at all. There are other videos on the site that will help you with that. If you can't figure something out, feel free to send me a message, put a comment on the video. I'll respond to all of those. If we still can't figure out what's going on, I'll be happy to help by looking at a picture of what's going on with your hand, or watching you play it on video, so we will work it out. Good luck with all of this, and we'll do the minor chords in another video, and then we will start to apply these to songs that you may know. So thanks again for watching.